Hey everyone, I am Megan, also known as Megzy the OG. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Ipsy glam bag. So if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks guys! The January 2019 Ipsy glam bag is this blue and white striped linen bag with the pink zipper at the top and pink lining. It also says Ipsy right here in gold. It's super cute. Definitely not my favorite bag, but it is still adorable. The January 2019 theme is Ipsy Recharge. This is what the postcard looks like. The first product in my glam bag is this LXMI Hydrating Illuminator. So this is a product that you apply before you apply your makeup to illuminate your skin and make sure it's nice and hydrated. The second product that I have is this Jante Blue Plum Lip Liner. This, of course, is just used to line your lips before applying your lipstick. It helps to keep your lipstick on for longer, and it helps to eliminate those lines whenever you apply liquid lipstick where they don't really get all the way in there, if you know what I mean. The third product in my glam bag is this Yensa Pumpkin and Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Mask. So this 2-in-1 mask is really good. It helps to exfoliate, brighten, even discoloration and tone, and also it helps to smooth your skin. So the cool thing about the ingredients in this is the pumpkin is used to brighten out your skin tone, and then the turmeric is there to soothe your skin and make sure that it's nice and even. Fourth product is a SL Miss Glam brush. This is the SB68 brush. It has a glittery handle and then nice and colorful bristles. I have a few SL Miss Glam brushes that I've gotten from Ipsy before, and I actually really like them. They're not bad quality. The bristles are really soft and really fluffy, and I always love how they add the rhinestone accents to the brush. The last and final product is the Alamsqua coloring pencil, and this is an eye crayon in the color Honor. So the light color that was on the box, this one, is not the actual shade. The shade is actually more of a brownish maroon. I'm gonna go ahead and color part of my thumb so that you could see it. So right there, that is the shade Honor. And again, I'm not sure how to pronounce this brand. I think it's Alamsqua. I'll post it right here. But yeah, so that is the shade Honor, and this is the coloring eye pencil. So that's it. That is all that was in my Ipsy glam bag. I got 5 products for $10, and if you want to sign up for Ipsy, use the link in my description box below. This month's glam bag was a hit. I really enjoy all these products. I'm gonna have a lot of uses for them. The bag itself was not my favorite, but again, I did get some awesome products that I could definitely use in the future. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, maybe hit the subscribe and notification bell below, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.